I am very excited to be showing you guys these excellent flippers from FINIS. We've got our brand right here. Both are the exact same. Very useful, very nice material, works very well in the water. I'm going to show you guys the back. On the back we have our size, so it's US 9 to 11. We've got our European and Australian sizes. So these flippers were for my younger brother for swimming. They worked very well for him. They fit very snugly. That's something to keep in mind, but not too snug. It's kind of the perfect balance as long as you make sure to choose the right size. Here's a kind of a look of the interior, all the room that you've got to work with. And a nice feature that I also like about these is we've got these nice grips right here. So there's a good amount of traction in and out of the pool, so you won't be slipping around too much. Your son, your brother, whoever it is, won't be slipping around. Very useful. These are in the red color as well, which is very bright, very vibrant, very easy to see. So here are our flippers. One more close look at the inside, like so, and then our back. Very, very nice flippers, identical pretty much on either side, and I would highly, highly recommend them.